Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Tundra Platinum versus 1794 full comparison. Follow my step-by-step guide that highlights styling, cabin comfort, and feature differences so you know what each trim offers. I will point out the real value items, where price gaps make sense, and when leather or tech upgrades justify the cost. Stick with me and you'll leave confident to choose the right Tundra trim for your needs. Let's walk through exterior cues that set each trim apart in real life. I'll describe the grille, badges, wheel options, and paint choices so you can picture each truck in your driveway. I'll also explain how identical bed length and frame mean styling is the main visual difference, not capability. This helps you decide if the look alone is worth the price difference when shopping for a Tundra. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more truck comparisons for you. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly in your center console or truck bed cooler. They keep sauces from spilling on leather seats. I've linked the containers and deals in the description for convenience, and now let's get back to the video. Inside, I'll compare materials, seat comfort, tech layout, and storage practicality between the two trims. I'll call out which trim gives better long drive comfort, where rear legroom or cargo solutions differ, and which infotainment features you actually use daily. I'll also note warranty and service practicalities so you understand ownership costs beyond the sticker price. By the end, you'll know which interior matches your priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.